Now, as the final notes linger in the air, let us carry the essence of this day in our hearts. Let it be a beacon that guides us forward, reminding us that we too are threads in this grand tapestry of empowerment. May we weave our own stories with the same grace and fortitude, and may the spirits of this day inspire us to shine ever brighter. Thank you for joining us in this poetic celebration of freedom and strength. Until we meet again, let the legacy of today's stories inspire and uplift us in all that we do. As we near the end of our celebration, it is time to express a heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has made this event truly special. To convey our thanks, we have the honor of inviting someone whose dedication and support have been instrumental in bringing today's program to life. Please join me in welcoming Ms. Jubli Jinta ma'am, our Head of Administration and Academics who will deliver the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, all. As we gather to celebrate our nation's independence, we are reminded of the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters, our heroes, and the power of unity that brought us to this day. I can see a mini India here with unity and diversity. I'd really like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest. I guess she is not present as of now. Uh, our Lieutenant Colonel Jhilmil ma'am for taking the time out to join us and share her inspiring words. Beside her busy schedule, she took time for us and joined this event, and her presence has made this occasion even more beautiful and special. Special thanks to our director, ma'am, for her continuous guidance, our teachers and staff. Thank you for your tireless efforts in shaping young minds and fostering a love for this learning. To my beloved students, you have done a great job, and I am impressed with your active participations and eagerness to learn. Let us continue to strive for a better future and a brighter future. Thank you all for joining today. Thank you, all the students, teachers, staff, parents, for taking time and join us to this beautiful day. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, Jubli Jinta ma'am, for delivering such a gracious and encompassing vote of thanks. गूंज रहा है दुनिया में भारत का नगाड़ा, चमक रहा है आसमानों में देश का सितारा, आजादी के दिन आओ मिलकर करे दुआ, यही कि बुलंदियों पर लहराता रहे तिरंगा हमारा. As we draw our celebration to a close, let us come together in unity and pride. It is time to honor our nation with a heartfelt rendition of our national anthem. Please rise and join us as we sing the anthem that symbolizes our shared identity, freedom, and patriotism. Let this movement be a powerful reminder of our collective strength and the values that unite us. Without further ado, let us all stand together for the national anthem.
Everyone, please stand up.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you so much for Thank you so much everyone for joining. You have been a great audience. We would like to thank guest of honor, all the teachers, staff members and participants for their great and immense efforts for gracing this ceremony. This is me Roylika Ahuja and my co-host Malvika signing off. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Bye. Happy Independence
Jai
Day.
Hind.
Bye everyone. See you all soon.
Happy
Happy
Independence Day.
Independence Day. Happy Independence Day, all my teachers and friends
Bye
and
everyone. Bye.
parents
See you all
and
soon.
friends.
Bye,
It was
everyone.
wonderful. It was wonderful. Bye bye.
Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Happy